Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to host multiple websites on Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to log into the Hostinger Edge panel. Now click on Manage next to your web hosting. Now on the left menu on the top you will see your website name. Just click on this drop down. Now to add multiple websites, just click on Add Website. Now click on Create a Website. Select Next. Now you can go with WordPress, Hostinger Website Builder or empty PHP/HTML website. But I want to go with the WordPress, so I am going to select WordPress from here and then click on Next. And now we need to add a login details for our WordPress website. So we will add our WordPress admin email and admin password and then click on Next. You can go with Create a Site with AI or pre-built websites and themes. But I am going to select Create Blank Site from here. And now we need to add our domain name. If you have purchased a domain from Hostinger, then that's great. But if you have purchased a domain from any other web hosting provider, let's say you have purchased a domain from Namecheap, so you will have to change the name servers of your domain to Hostinger name servers. So we are going to add our domain name here. So select it from here and then click on Install WordPress. And now from the Hostinger Edge panel, if I click on Websites and Website List, here we will see the website that we have just added. And if I hover over it and it's asking that hosting plan setup is in progress, it will take a little bit time. And as you can see that our new website is now added to the Hostinger Edge panel. So now if I click on this link, it will take us to our website. If there is a problem installing WordPress on your domain, go back to Hostinger Edge panel, click on Home, click on Manage from here next to your web hosting. Select Website from here and then click on Auto Installer. Select WordPress. Now add your title, administrator email, administrator username and password and then click on Advanced. Now select your domain name from here. Then click on Next and then click on Install. And in this way WordPress will be installed on your new domain. So this is how you can host multiple websites on Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.